Fiestas Patrias, Patron Saint Days. Saint John the Baptist is the patron saint of San Juan del Sur. During Spanish colonization, towns were often named after a patron saint, and then the Catholic built one church in the name of that saint. Every June, between the dates of the 22nd to the 24th, this is when Saint John the Baptist, or San Juan, is celebrated. And it's celebrated in very different ways. There is an image of St. John that is taken down, I believe from the church, and it is paraded through the town, and this marks the start of the days. But prior to these dates, other things have already started to happen. We have things like equestrian parades, or hipicas. We have a rodeo. There are beachside concerts, and there are religious ceremonies. But most of the activity happens between the 22nd and the 24th. One of the local games or shows that is put on is something called the Palo Lucio, which is the greasy pole. And what happens is they find this very tall pole, and it is marched into town with many men carrying it. There's a lot of fanfare involved in this. It is marched from outside of town right to the center of town. It is erected right in front of the church, and it is decorated. It is decorated with flags, and there's a big flag on the top, and then they put grease all over it. That's where it gets its name, the greasy pole. It's going to be able to retrieve the flag from the top of the greasy pole. Now, this steals the show every year. I will leave you here with some lively music and some scenes from the festivities, so you too can feel like you have visited San Juan del Sur during the Fiestas Patrias. See you on the next one.